welcome back to my beauty channel. My name is Josephine and I do all kinds of beauty videos, but mostly makeup videos and unboxing videos. Today we're going to create this eye look, makeup eye look. So yeah, that's the plan of this video, but before we start, I just want to recommend you to subscribe if you're not already. And of course, like, comment, hit the bell, and let's start this tutorial. I'm extremely red and my hair looks shitty, all of that. Please don't mind. I've already done my eyebrows and I have applied a base on my lids, concealer. This is the Maybelline Infinable Concealer. No, L'Oreal Infinable Concealer. Let's apply some eyeshadow. We're going to use that Soft Glam from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It really looks like I've used this a lot, but I haven't. We're going to use this and then we're going to go in with some brighter shades from another palette. But we want a base first, so... God, I haven't done my makeup in a long time, okay? Let's go in with this burnt orange with E144 blending brush from Meet Makeup. It's a fluffy big blending brush. Can you hear the birds outside? That's really annoying. The ABH eyeshadows are really pigmented, so you need to be careful. They're so easy to blend and it looks smooth, not patchy or anything. I take a smaller blending crease brush. Sometimes you need to get in small areas, and yeah, I just go back and forth between different eyeshadow brushes, and I see that I have to clean up a bit. I can do that later when I apply my foundation or concealer, so I don't think too much about this edge. I want it to be like that, so I clean it up later. Now I take the small brush again and this rustic, just a brownish shade, and darken up the crease. I want some more warmth, so I'm going to take the sienna, apply that a bit, everywhere. We have a base. Now we're going to use the Beauty Bay Bright palette, and I'm pretty confident well, I'm pretty sure I'm going to use the Jello. I'm going to try this shade, I think. We take just lightly, but it's so pigmented. And in the... well, that's so pigmented, it's crazy. I don't know if I like that shade. Let's take some more concealer on a flat packing brush and cut the crease. Now we take another packing brush and pack on the Jello on the cut crease we just created. So just a small packing brush, some Jello. I just blend the edges a bit. I don't think I like this actually. That's fortunate. I'm going to take some more of that first shade we use, the burnt orange. and the sienna, the red or rusty orange. I think it's okay, so let's continue with the rest of the face, and then we'll see if we need some more. We're going to do the under eye, and yeah, I'll be right back. This is the final look. I didn't apply anything on my lower lash line. I just applied some mascara. So it's a bit uneven, the yellow, but do we mind? No. I like the huge lashes. This is a very fast makeup look, not really complicated. Yeah, I like it. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and of course hit the bell and turn on the notifications so you don't miss my future videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!